Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up fraud protection with Shopify Payments Radar easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. From the Settings page, select Payments. Look for the Shopify Payments section and click on Manage. Scroll down to the Fraud Prevention section. Enable the Fraud Filters option by toggling it on. Once enabled, you can customize which filters to apply. Review the different fraud filters available. Select the ones that best fit your business needs. Consider enabling filters for high-risk countries or suspicious IP addresses. After you've made your selections, scroll down and click Save. Next, check Enable notifications for potentially fraudulent orders. Select how you want to be notified, either via email or SMS. Be sure to regularly monitor your orders for any unusual activity. Review orders marked as high risk if you receive any notifications. When you conduct a fraud review, gather information about the customer and the order. Consider whether to fulfill, cancel, or hold the order based on your findings. Periodically revisit your fraud settings and update them as necessary. Stay informed about new fraud trends and adjust your settings accordingly. Now, you have successfully set up fraud protection with Shopify Payments Radar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.